Hi you guys, so this video is called Why I Hate J.Cole. I hate J.Cole because he got married and didn't tell anybody, and then he was trying to hide it from me, and then like I no longer had a chance, and I thought he was gonna be like my future ex-husband and shit, but then that went down the drain. But no, some of you guys know that J.Cole, I actually like J.Cole a lot, and he's having a concert and stuff come up pretty soon in my city, but a bitch is broke. So I can't really go right now. So but other than that, this video is really on like why I love J.Cole. I did make a video of why I love Cardi B, and these are he is amongst one of the most influential people to me, so I kind of wanted to just make a video of why I love him, not really hate him, but so that being said, I feel like he is one of the most authentic people that have a platform these days, and I feel like we can learn a lot from him as far as being authentic, because a lot of you guys know that I preach being dope, being you unapologetically. I think we should have more people who are willing to be authentic and willing to express themselves and their mistakes, because a lot of times in this society we feel like we should be perfect a lot of times, and I feel like that is the downfall of our nation, is acting as if we're perfect. And a lot of times it hurts the people on the bottom the most, because we're always striving and it never seems good enough. We're not pretty enough, we're not good enough, we don't have enough things. It always feels like it's never enough. But someone like J.Cole teaches to look inward, to self-reflect, and to love thyself. And that's everything that I stand for on this channel, if you guys don't know already. I'm an advocate for self-love, overcoming traumas, but it always starts inward. So that's why I fuck with J.Cole. But yeah, we can all take a lesson from him and learning how to be more carefree. One of his songs, he touched on not caring about what people thought as far as his appearance, so he let his natural hair grow out, things like that. So he also stands for overcoming a lot of conditioning, and a lot of times whether he realizes it or not, he's a good example for black men in America who feel like they aren't good enough in their natural state. So we all can take that as an example of how your presence can make a difference without realizing it. Just you being yourself can make a difference without realizing it. So I challenge you guys today to be authentic, to be dope in your truth and dope in yourself. Always realize that being there's strength in being in authenticity. So yeah, that is the lesson today, you guys, and that's why I love J.Cole. Peace.